I thought, dude.
He wrecked y'all.
Put me back on the line. Told my girl I'd be back operator. This is wrecking my mind.
Are we ready to roll?
Oh, can it be? The voices calling me, they get lost in out of time. I should have seen it glow, but everybody
what are we gonna do?
knows that a broken
I'll come read with you guys.
is blind. That a broken heart is blind.
You guys are brutal, come on! You almost got me. Go, go, go! Look, look! You have your post. We need to get up there. Let's go! Let's go! You know you got a ring. Get out! Get out! Let's break it off. Let's break it off. Yeah. Watch that foot, guys. Okay, you three. Head this way. You are so hit! Ow! Hit! Yeah, whenever you are, man. Yeah, where are you? I was in my phone down. I don't see anyone. Hit. I'm hit. Crap, I can't shoot home. You can't shoot at home? Why? I just don't want to. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful romance thing, but it really sucks for us. Bristol, I need ammo. I need my pack. Alright. Get in! I'm hit! There's no way to say I'm hit. Get down here, yeah. Go, go, go! I'm hit! Oh, shit. I'm hit! I'm hit! Yeah, don't shoot me anymore. Hey, watch for those snipers on the sides of the head. They're going to try to sneak up behind you. How did I get? Oh, crap! Oh, ah! Priority number one is keep that flag up there. Yes, sir.